Hello, welcome back. Today, we're going to look at some more grammar. We're going to look at compound nouns. All right, so what is a compound noun? Well, let's find out. So, a compound noun is when we put two things together. So, bus plus stop equals bus stop. Good. Check plus in equals check-in. And soft plus ware equals software. So, what's the rule? Well, first let's look at the pictures. So, this is a bus stop. This is for check-in. And over here is our software. Now, let's look at the rules. So, the rule is a noun plus a noun equals noun, noun. A new word with a space. Or it equals noun hyphen noun. And last, noun, noun together. No space. Now, the rule is that when you put two nouns together, you can use any of these. So, you can write bus stop with a space, with a hyphen, or with no space. And those are compound nouns. Let's dive in deeper. So, again, noun plus noun, like bus stop. We can write it with a hyphen or together. And it's still the same. It's always a bus stop. Again, we can do the same with an adjective and a noun. So, our adjective is white. And our noun is board. Together, it's a whiteboard. Now we can write it like this with a space, like this with a hyphen, or like this with no space. But again, it stays the same. It means a whiteboard. And we can keep going. We have a noun plus a verb. So, noun, hair, like mine, and cut. All right, cut. Yeah, so we can write haircut with a space, or with a hyphen, or together. But it stays a haircut. And those are different types of compound nouns. We actually have 6 different types. So, let's look at the other 3. So, next on our list, we have a verb plus a noun. Our verb, break, when you break something, and fast, when you don't eat. So, together we say breakfast. And we can also write it with a hyphen. So, this is breakfast. Next on our list, we have a verb plus a preposition. So, what is a preposition? Well, on, in, up, over, under, those are all prepositions. But let's look over here. So, we can say check out with a space. We can say it with a hyphen, and we can say it with no space. It also changes if we change the preposition. So, if we say check on, or check in, or check up, the word changes its meaning. So, how do you learn all these meanings? Well, this is where you have to do some homework. Maybe you should get a dictionary or read a book with your mom or your dad. The only way to learn these words is to keep practicing and keep learning. All right, so again, these are different types of compound nouns. Now we have one more left. So the last compound noun is a preposition plus a noun. Do you remember your prepositions? We had a few of them. We have in, out, on, under, down, over. So, let's take a look. We can say inbox. We can say outbox. Or we can say downtown. But this time, these words don't get a space. So, if you see preposition plus a noun, we don't add a space. So, this is your inbox, where you get something in. And it's also your outbox, when you send something. And we have downtown, usually a big city or a capital city. So, where is downtown in Vietnam? Usually we'll talk about a big city like Ho Chi Minh City or somewhere like Hanoi. So, those are all of the different types of compound nouns. Last on our to-do list today, we have to do some practice time. So, let's take a look. Now, these are all the types of compound nouns we have learnt today. I want you to pause the video for 3 minutes and practice going through each of these words. But first, let's read through them one more time. So, noun plus noun, bus stop. Adjective plus noun, full moon. Noun plus verb, haircut. Verb plus noun, breakfast. A verb plus a preposition, check in. And last, a preposition plus a noun, inbox. So, now it's your turn. Pause the video and give it a practice, and I'll see you when you get back. Welcome back. I hope you got everything right. Thank you for joining us from Beyond English, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.